Dear learner, today we are going to discuss about tour operator packages and destinations. First one is the tour operator, tasked to assemble the various travel components in a tour packages and sell the resulting package as one product, act as an intermediary between the suppliers of the travel services and the traveling public. Next one is characteristics of tour operator. Wholesaler, their client or primarily the retail travel agencies and dealing with end user in is indirected. Act as a intermediary and integrator of the travel suppliers. Derives income from variable but limited profit margins and capitalize on favorable terms, conditions and constructions. Generate additional revenues by selling optional tour, excursions and extension stays. Next one is functions of tour operators. Conceptuals, plans and develop tour packages. Negotiates with the suppliers of travel services. Assembles and integrated the various travel components in a single tour packages. Delivers the tour packages. Next one is revenue sources of tour operators. Variable market up, seeking favorable terms, conditions and concessions to supplier. Sales of optional tours, excursions and extension stay. Tour operator shopping commissions on sales generated. Next one, criteria for classification of tour operators. Areas of operations, geographical areas included in the travel package. Market or sources of traffic, geographical area of the travel market. Next one, types of tour operators. Local tour operators, domestic tour operators, inbound tour operators and outbound tour operators. First one is tour escort services, also known as a tour leader, refer to the individuals who travel within the client from point of origin and back, act as the manager of two groups. Next one, types of tour packages. Ground arrangements comprise of transfer and sightseeing tour only. Land arrangements includes transfer, sightseeing tours and hotel accommodations with or without a meal plan. Inclusive tour packages includes a transfer, sightseeing tour, hotel accommodations with or without meal plans plus transportation by air, sea or land. Inclusive escorted tour packages, inclusive tour packages with the service of the tour escorts. Next one, classification of tour packages. Regular tour packages assembled based on the need or interest of a target market. Ad hoc tour packages that are tailor made to the requirements and specifications of the particular traveler or group of traveler. Next one is tour market and destinations. Tour markets, international leisure traveler, represented by the profile of the psychometric or allocentric. Tour markets, domestic traveler, budget traveler, for example, educational field trips. Regular traveler, for example, company field trips. High-end traveler, for example, professional people with a high income of salary like 15,000. Next one is types of tourisms. First one is adventure tourism, travel of the purpose of challenging oneself in a specialized skill acquired. Next one is agritourism, observations and participations in the agriculture farms and farming crops and fruits. Next one is culinary tourism, eating and drinking holidays along with the study of the food productions and the processing and participation in the F&B activities in a relaxed environment. Cultural tourism, characterized by the guided tours that include tasting the local cuisines and the viewing and participating in the folk dances, performance demonstrations of the local craft and art, and observe of religious rites and ceremonies. Next one is environmental or ecotourism, travel for purpose of observing and living with the indigenous people. Health and wellness tourism, combines the well-being of the persons with healthcare maintenance alongside leisure and relaxing aimed at rejuvenating a person's. Next one is historical tourism, characterized by the guide tours to monuments, museums, and light and sound show that are representative of importance of historical events. Next one is religious tourism, travel for spiritual renewal and experience and observe the religious practices of locality. Next one is medical tourism, health trips of patients needing surgical or and other forms of high specialized treatment. Next one is recreational tourism, typified by participation in light sports, indoor or otherwise, and social contents in a relaxed environment. Next one, tourist destinations, defined as a specific geographical area that a traveler decides to visit and spend at least one night, also known as a tourist attracts on or tourist sites. Next one is characteristics of tourist destinations. First one is transportation, refer to the accessibility, facilities available of lodging facility, infrastructures, development of basis infrastructure like water, electricity, sewage, drainage and communications, attraction and activities, a site to view and admire and the activities to participate in and experience, hospitality revenues, general public attitudes towards visitors and language facilities. Next one is accessibility, all the transportations to and from the origins to the destinations by air, sea and land plus all support infrastructure, comfort and convenience, the facilities catering to be basic human needs and the improvement of the basic facilities, education and entertainment, the feeling of the visitors that he has learned something. Service, safety and security includes the prevention of accidents, the maintenance of peace and order and the protections of life and property. Thank you so much for watching.